Today, we're taking a look at the fascinating mechanics of a vehicle that's instrumental in construction and mining, the dump truck. At first glance, a dump truck might look like any other large vehicle, but its specialized design makes it vital for transporting and dumping materials like sand, gravel, or demolition waste. Let's break down how these mighty machines work. A dump truck consists of an open box bed, which is hinged at the rear and equipped with hydraulic rams. These hydraulics are crucial as they enable the front of the bed to lift upward, allowing gravity to slide the material inside out through the tailgate. This action is what's commonly referred to as dumping. The straightforward yet effective mechanism is powered by a hydraulic pump, reservoir, and valves that control the fluid's flow, enabling the hydraulic pistons to lift the bed. The operation begins with loading, typically done using excavators or loaders. The truck's bed is robust, designed to handle not only the immense weight of materials, but also the wear and tear from loading equipment. Once filled, the truck moves to the designated dump site. Maneuverability is crucial, and for that reason, dump trucks are often equipped with rear-wheel drive and various axles to ensure stability and support the weight of the load. On arrival at the site, the driver positions the truck, engages the parking brake, and activates the hydraulic system. This is done via controls within the cab. As the hydraulics lift the front of the bed, the material begins to slide out. Skilled operators know how to control the speed of the dump to ensure even distribution of the material and to prevent the truck from becoming unbalanced. The design of the tailgate can vary, often being top-hinged to swing open as the bed is elevated. Some trucks may have side hinge gates for specific dumping needs. After the load is dumped, the operator lowers the bed back into place using the hydraulic controls. The hydraulics secure the bed, ensuring safety and preparing the truck for its next load. In summary, a dump truck's operations are a blend of powerful hydraulic engineering and simple gravity. Understanding this efficient process highlights the incredible role these machines play in heavy industries. Tune in next time as we explore more about heavy machinery and their impact on our world. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more fun, informative videos.